Hey, this is Ethan with Cam's Rentals, and today we're going to do a quick overview on how to use our Genie GTH-5519 Telehandler. As you can see here, we got the forks and the mast. To adjust the spacing on the forks, you can simply lift up on the end of the fork, and it'll tilt like this, and then that'll make it easier to slide these back and forth to work with whatever pallet or object you might be trying to move. And just doing a quick walk around on the machine. There's not too much that you have to worry about. Fuel goes right here, and that is diesel only. And let's hop on into the cab here to show you some of the controls. So this door has a nice feature where you can unlock the window using this handle. And you can lock the top part right there. And to release it, you can hit this switch right here to get that back. So we're in the cab now, and you can see we got some controls to go over. The most important ones are going to be the ignition here. You can see it's a 3-position switch, so you can turn it on, and that's going to warm up your glow plugs in that middle position there. And you can see over here we got our fuel gauge, temperature gauge, all that good stuff. If the machine is cold, you can leave it there for a couple seconds and let it warm up. Then under here, we have the gas pedal there, brake pedal there, and we have the hazard lights, steering wheel, adjustment for the steering column, and then the gear shifter. So right now it's in neutral, but you can press it up and forward. That puts you in forward gear, and then you can pull it down into reverse. That'll be reverse. One thing to note is that you're going to want the shifter to be in the neutral position to start the machine. And then over with these buttons, it's going to be real important to remember where your parking brake button is, because you have to have the parking brake on to start this machine up. So once you have the shifter in neutral, and once you have the parking brake on in this position, then you can use the key to turn the machine on. And then from there, you can turn the parking brake off, put the machine in gear, and you're good to go. And then we also have the driving mode switch here. When it's in the middle position, it'll act just like a car with front wheel steering. When it's switched to the right, it's going to use all 4 wheels to help you steer, making it able to take some sharper corners. And then you can also use the left position here to take advantage of the crab walk mode, which will help you basically travel diagonally. And then we come over to the handle. This is going to be how you control the boom. To make the boom go up or down, you can pull back to make it go up, push to make it go down. To extend the boom, you go right to make it go out, left to make it come in, and then to tilt the forks, you press this orange button here, and then tilt to make it tilt forward, tilt back to make it go back. Relatively easy. And then you can also use the gas pedal when the machine is in neutral to increase the speed of the boom. If you have any more questions, you can feel free to give us a call or visit our website at camsrentals.com. Thank you, and have a great day.